So till now we have learned that small animals are insects. छोटे छोटे कीड़े होते हैं, उनको हम बोलते हैं insects, like ant, grasshopper, bee, butterfly. These are insects. छोटे छोटे कीड़े, उनको हम बोलते हैं insects. And what we are going to learn in insects in this chapter, we will learn the name of different insects. We will try to identify with their pictures, and we will learn to draw few insects. Okay, we will learn to draw insects. All right, so everyone fold your arms, sit properly. We'll watch a video. I want everyone to sit properly. Fold your arms. Pritisha, I can't see you. Okay, so let's watch the video of insects.
To learn about insects. Insects are fascinating. Some are beautiful, some can be a little gross, but one thing's for sure, they are not boring. Welcome to the exciting world of insects. To begin, insects are the largest animal group on Earth. Did you know that? There is no animal group in the world larger than insects. In fact, about 85% of the whole animal kingdom is made up of insects. That means the majority of animals in the world are insects.
Yes, the majority of the animal kingdom. जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं हमारे वर्ल्ड में जिनको हम जानते हैं, उसमें से ज्यादातर इंसेक्ट्स हैं. ओके, ज्यादातर इंसेक्ट्स हैं. एनिमल किंगडम में से ज्यादातर इंसेक्ट्स हैं.
And they are everywhere. When you visit the park, a field, or even your own backyard, there are hundreds of thousands of insects all.
And we can find insects everywhere. Insects सब जगह होते हैं. पार्क में, गार्डन में, कोर्टयार्ड में, कहीं पे भी जाओ आपको कोई ना कोई इंसेक्ट जरूर मिल जाएगा.
Around you, underground, on the grass, flying in the air, they are everywhere. Some insects even swim.
कुछ इंसेक्ट्स चलते हैं, कुछ फ्लाई करते हैं. तो हर तरह के इंसेक्ट होते हैं. कुछ स्काई में होते हैं, कुछ ग्राउंड में होते हैं. ओके,
They can even get indoors too. Have you ever seen an insect in your house before or in a building? Yeah, they find a way to get in. There are so many different types of insects. Some are beautiful, like this butterfly. Others are, well, less beautiful, like this stag beetle. Wow, wish this stag beetle wasn't right next to my face. Okay, butterfly, you can stay. But despite their differences, there are things all insects have in common. Here are some of the things all insects have in common. First, they are gross. Second, they are disgusting. And third, their babies smell bad. Okay. Hey, no, that was a joke, okay? We're kidding. We love insects. We wouldn't be making this video if we didn't love you guys, okay? That's just a joke, okay? We're gonna say nice things about you. We love insects, and there are wonderful things that all insects have in common. We're just joking. You're not gross. You're not disgusting. You know, your babies don't... Insects have in common. No jokes. These are the real things, okay? Things all insects have in common. First of all, they are small. Now, different insects are different sizes, but compared to other animal groups, insects are small. Their small sizes allow...
Insects are small in size. Insects are small in size.
them to have special jobs other animal groups can't have. It's good that insects are small. Another thing insects have in common is that they all have 6 legs. All insects have 6 legs. Did you know that already?
All the insects have 6 legs. All the insects have 6 legs.
That's one of the reasons a spider is not an insect. A spider has 8 legs. Spiders are arachnids, not insects. Remember, all insects have 6 legs.
So if we'll find any animal, any insect which is having 6 legs, that means that is an insect.
If you want to achieve better results, make a great impression, and save time at work, you should get Grammarly.
With Grammarly, it's like I have.
The next thing all insects have in common is that they move quickly in their environment. Whether they live on land, in the water, or fly in the air, every insect has the ability to be fast with their legs and often their wings, helping.
They can move very quickly. All the insects can move very quickly.
All insects have the ability to move quickly.
This is grasshopper.
Insects not only move quickly in their environment,
They can't think. वो सोचते नहीं हैं. जैसे हम सोच सकते हैं, पर insects नहीं सोच सकते.
have programmed responses to situations they face. That means if a mosquito bites you, remember, the mosquito isn't mad at you. The mosquito didn't think, hey, I want to get that person. Insects can't think. The mosquito knew it needed food and it flew to you to get it. This is why insects are so predictable. Their brains are a lot of fun. Now we are going to look at several different types of insects and learn even more facts about these fascinating creatures. Are you ready? No, really. Are you ready? Okay. First, let's look at beetles. Here is a ladybug, one of the most popular types of beetles. While a lot of people don't like
This is ladybug.
your average beetle, it is hard to find someone who form a hard candy bug, can eat as many as 5,000 other insects. Here is another beetle called the stag beetle. The stag beetle has these huge jaws and is a beetle that sometimes
This is stag beetle. Stag beetle.
wrestles other. They do have important jobs like pollinating flowers and recycling animal poop. Yeah, you heard that right. If it weren't for flies, the world would be a much smellier place. It's true. They might be annoying, but they are important. Now, this is interesting. Wasps, ants, and bees are all part of the same group of insects. Color. Wasps are very helpful to farmers because they control pests. Without wasps, much of our food supply would be ruined by other insects. If you see a wasp,
This is wasp. Wasp.
make sure you leave them alone. Known for those hills they build, and yes,
This is ant. Ant.
there are ants in each colony that have wings. Ants have terrible eyes. Pretty cool.
Bee.
They make it for themselves to get through the winter. Not all bees make honey, though. Bees like the bumblebee don't make honey, but they do pollinate flowers. They are so helpful. Like wasps, bees need to be left alone to do their job. If they feel threatened, some types of bees might sting you.
So we have seen few insects. Now let's come to the page. Open the page in your book, everyone. Page number 106. Write down date and classwork. We'll see few more insects from our book. Write down date 21.10.21. Classwork, insects. The topic is insects. So we are just going to learn the name of these insects. We know few insects, we will learn few more. The first one is butterfly. The first one is butterfly. The next is beetle. The next is beetle. Next, wasp. We find wasp in fields. Wasp. Ant. Ant. Grasshopper. 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 Honeybee. Avya Agarwal, sit properly. Honeybee. Honeybee. Next is housefly. Housefly is मक्खी. घर में देखिए मक्खी. मक्खी भी इंसेक्ट है. Housefly. Housefly. Dragonfly. Next is dragonfly. Dragonfly. Mosquito. Mosquito is machhar. Mosquito. Mosquito. Next, ladybird. Next is ladybird. Ladybird. Then we have cockroach. Cockroach. And bug. Last is bug. Bug. So you must know that these all are insects and they are a part of animal kingdom. From all the animal kingdom, 85% of the animals are insect, and insects are small animals. Small animals that have 6 legs are insects. Small animals with 6 legs are insects, and few insects are like butterfly, beetle, wasp, ant, grasshopper, honeybee, housefly, dragonfly, mosquito, ladybird, cockroach, and bug. Okay.